Stock markets now and see how the week is starting. And I'm being joined by an equities trader at APT Securities and Funds Limited, Mr. Jamiu Mohammed, to start the week and talk markets. Mr. Mohammed, if you're there, the market is in green. Yes, 0.21%. We have the likes of Enamelwa, we have Wema Bank, we have UPL for gainers today, and GlaxoSmithKline. We have for losers today, we have Omatech, we have Prestige Assurance, we have MC Nichols, Connest, and Wapik in the insurance space. Mr. Jamiu Mohammed, are you there?
Yes, good afternoon. It's a pleasure to be here on the program.
Thank you. It's good to start the week with you. Really good to see you. Let's look at the fundamentals wrapping up last week. And as we move in this new week, what are your projections looking at the market? A lot of expectations, of course, the NSE. What are you seeing? What is playing out? What stocks are topping trade at the market at the moment?
Last week, let me start from what happened in the market last week. You can see the activity in the market from last week has shown that there's a kind of decline in the level of activities in the market. If you look at both the volume and value traded in the week. So, and also, when you look, though, if you look at what market did yesterday, last week, market gained about 0.22%. And if you look at one of the previous session I had with you, I let you know that we may likely to see that the level of activities is going to go down because of the signal we have seen in the market for last week, and is now playing out. So it's not unconnected from what we have predicted before. And you see market gaining, yes, but if you see the level of activities that we have even today, you see that today market traded about 334 million units of stock, worth about 3.9 billion naira. And if you look at what we used to do like 2-3 weeks ago, you can see we trade about more than 5 billion. Even we have traded more than 20 billion in a day before. So what this one means is that we are having a kind of low level of activities in the market as we speak. And this is not unconnected with the fact that the market is trying to correct itself from what we had before. You know, then we witnessed inflow of funds into the market. And that is why you see that level of activities coming. It is not only when the market is losing that you say market is correcting itself. It's in terms of activities too, market can correct itself and maintain balance. And if you see the result that has been churning out by all these listed companies in recent time for the half year, you can see their results that are encouraging, and they have the fundamental that can sustain what the market is doing right now. And that is why you see that we are having market correcting itself, but market is still gaining marginally as we speak today. And if you see those stocks that are traded, well traded today in the market, you talk of Access Bank, which traded about 296 million naira of stock traded today, and Stanbic traded about 276 million worth of stock today. And the same vein, we have Eternal that follows suit. The three of those stocks constitute about more than almost 30% of what traded in the market today. And these are the stocks that are topping the activities in the market as market close today. So going forward to the week, we know that the market is correcting itself in terms of the level of activity that we are having. That does not mean that we don't have some gainers in the market. And we see some stocks have been gaining from 1, 2, 3 days for now, and you see they are continuing to gain. See the activity that we have in Glasgow. Glasgow is coming to delist, and if you see as we speak, the stock is on serious on bid because we know that it is not going to be delisted at this current price that is doing 9 naira 75 kobo. We believe that they are going to delist higher than this. So these are stocks that investors are taking the advantage of now, the speculator. So by the time the stock gets to a certain point, speculator can take the advantage and come out. So at this point in time, we should always look at most stocks that have fundamentals that can be able to give you your return at any point in time. Let me sound this note of warning before I leave this place, is that there is no investment that you can put your money in as we speak today that can give you the inflated compensated rate of return is only the equity market. As we speak today, year-to-date return that we have is around 27.2%, which is far, far above what the inflation is currently doing. There's no any market that can give you such rate of return. Thank you.
I must thank you so much, Mr. Jamiu Mohammed. It's good to have you on the program.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be with you.